in this example, I'm going to show you how to solve a quadratic equation in the standard form. Okay, so find the value of x for which y is this equation, which is equal to minus 36. So all I need to do is my y is equal to minus 36, and what is my value of x? So this is what we really want to do. So I'll just right away put y as minus 36 equals to minus 2, and then you just need to solve it like solving the zero. Okay, so I'll just isolate my x. Minus 36 plus 4, so I'll have minus 32 equals to minus 2 x minus 1 squared. And then you divide it by 2 on both sides, and which is going to be x minus 1 squared. Now, at this point, I will have minus 32 over minus 2, which is going to give me 16 equals to x minus 1 squared. I'll just move it on to the other side. If I do square root of 16 and square root of x minus 1 squared here, I'll have to put a plus or minus all the time, because when the question at the previous step, we don't have a square root, and I put the square root myself, I will have to put a plus or minus sign. And this is going to give me plus or minus 4 equals to x minus 1. On the other side, because it's to cancel the square, so I don't need to put a plus or minus here. Now at this point, I will have to separate into two of them. So one is positive, the other one is negative. Okay, so the one that is positive, I will have 5 equals to x, because I move the minus 1 onto the other side, it becomes plus 1, so it will be 5 equals to x. And the other one will be minus 3 equals to x. So my x1 is 5, my x2 is minus 3. So these are my values of x when y is equals to minus 36. So actually I have two set of points, right? My first set of point would be 5 minus 36, and then I will have minus 3 and then minus 36. So these are the two set of points.